Welcome to the enchanting world of DaVinci Resolve, the Swiss Army knife of video editing software. Whether you're a beginner trying to impress your cat with your first video or a seasoned pro editing the next blockbuster, DaVinci Resolve is here to make your dreams come true.
Do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!
Picture this, you're a master chef, but instead of chopping onions, you're slicing through video clips. DaVinci Resolve is your kitchen, complete with every tool you need to craft a gourmet video feast. And trust me, there's no crying involved unless you count tears of joy. Color grading in DaVinci Resolve is like having a magical paintbrush that can turn your footage from bland to grand. Ever wanted to make your sunset look like it was shot on Mars? With DaVinci Resolve, you're not just adjusting colors, you're painting emotions. Now, let's talk about fusion. Imagine you're an alchemist, mixing potions to create astonishing visual effects. Need an explosion? Done. With Fusion, your video can be as realistic or as fantastical as your imagination allows. Audio is half the magic of any video. Think of Fairlight as your personal sound wizard. Whether you're turning whispers into roars or balancing a symphony of sounds, Fairlight ensures that your audience not only sees your story, but feels it too. Editing in DaVinci Resolve is like conducting an orchestra. Each clip, each transition, and each effect is an instrument in your symphony. The timeline is your baton, guiding the harmonious flow of your narrative. And with DaVinci Resolve, you're not just an editor, you're a maestro. From rough cuts to polished masterpieces, DaVinci Resolve transforms your raw footage into visual poetry. It's like turning a pumpkin into a carriage, except instead of a fairy godmother, you've got the power of advanced technology. So, whether you're crafting a viral TikTok, a heartfelt documentary, or the next Hollywood sensation, DaVinci Resolve is your ultimate ally. Oh, and by the way, it's free, so what are you waiting for? Download today and let the magic of video editing transform your vision into reality.